Hey everyone, welcome to episode, hold on, is it 18? Oh no, 19? Let me check. Episode 19. This is called a parenting patch. This is what happens when a 2-year-old falls asleep on your shoulder. So today's Saturday, Saturday the 3rd of December. And we've had lunch already. We've gone to do some shopping and we are going to make some cupcakes later. I'm just letting it cool down because it is damn well hot here in Sydney and the kitchen's going to get too damn hot. So my next task is to go and clean the kitchen because I made a bit of mess while making some lunch. And I will have to get my workout in today because I haven't done one yet. I didn't do a walk this morning. So small steps, big mountains. Small steps to climb big mountains, as my dad says. Shout out to your dad. So yeah, got to clean the kitchen. I don't know why I do that thing. It's like I've got this twitch. I don't ever have a twitch. Uh-oh. Oh, how did that happen? There must be more because it's broken pretty bad. And I can't find the rest. Where's the rest? Surely you can sympathise with me, fellow parents. I mean, is this like going to make its own way to the bin? Alright, so all the cleaning's finished, kitchen's done, washing's done, rooms are tidy, all the washing's folded and put away. Now, we're going to make Spider-Man cupcakes using the Spider-Man cupcake kit. Makes 10 cupcakes, bakes in 15 minutes.
Even with stickers?
Even with stickers. You can't be in the video.
Why?
Because you need to put a shirt on. Yeah, alright, go.
Hey guys, I'm sorry I got a big leg. A big leg.
You've got to cook with this.
What? And we got the cupcake powder.
Yep.
And cupcake icing.
Looks like someone took a bite out of it. Careful. Careful, careful. It's got to stay in the bowl.
Guys, it looks like someone took a bite out of this. Like, someone really took a bite out of this.
Sorry guys, video got interrupted before because I ran out of space on my phone. So we're back and we've baked the cupcakes now. We're just waiting for them to cool before we go and put the icing on them and the Spider-Man stickers, which is these things here. Dayan's taking a break, he's watching EvanTube HD. I'm sure all the parents out there know about that show.
That's really hard.
Fingers off. Cheeky. Your dad put one on?
Yeah. I have fun. Dad.
You have fun? Well, you want one? You want another sticker?
Yes. But these ones are for me.
Well, how many did she put on?
4.
And how many did you put on? 4. Oh yeah, because Dad did one too. Well, that's fair, isn't it, Hazel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give 2 more too.
Oh, look at that. Isn't he a nice brother?
I
Give him a
got
kiss and
7.
say thank you, Dayan.
I have 7.
Dad, you said kid
No, you say you, Dayan.
In the middle, no.
And this one?
That was mine.
This one.
Good job.
And this mine.
Good job. High five.
And this mine, Dad.
High five. I'm about to start my workout. Got my weight set. Working in the bedroom because we've got aircon in here. Wife is in the background contemplating whether or not she wants to be a superstar on the vlog. You gonna join in or not?
I'm thinking.
She's thinking. Hey, Alright, well I'm gonna work out. It's 9:20. About to start a workout. One of the kids are asleep, so this is the advantage that this is the only time I can take advantage of. So here we go.
Your head's all red.
Good boy. Oh. Oh.
That was a little one.
So that's a wrap. So, finish off the daily goal. It was about 35 minutes of weight training. It's all been covered off. So, yeah, today I worked a little bit of back and a bit of biceps. But that was it. So, day 3, still getting exercises out for the last 3 days of the Dad Bod Challenge. And as you saw during the day, had a bit of kid time with the kids, so it was good. And so it turns out that this was the only time that I could actually get my exercises in. So now it's what? 5 to 10 at night on a Saturday night. So yeah, don't enjoy it, don't like weight training. I used to like it at one stage, kind of, but not really anymore. But hopefully that'll change. But just being true about it. I can, sit here and say to you, it feels good, feels energetic, energizes me. I'm freaking tired now. I'm puffed out and I need to have a shower and just go and chill. Well, I won't even chill, I'll end up editing this video, so I'll probably be up until about 2 AM tomorrow morning, getting this video edited and loaded to YouTube and Facebook. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. And yeah, episode 19. Signing out.